This is a complete guide on how to sell items on the Steam market from A to Z and an absolute beginner tutorial. Actually, we'll sell an item live in this tutorial and I will explain to you all the steps which are involved in the most absolute easiest way. So if this tutorial will help you out, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave your thoughts down in the comments. So that being said, let's start the tutorial, shall we? If we go to the community, we can locate here a market and we have a lot of items as an example, items for CSGO, cards or skins for different games, or I don't know. And you can locate these items if you go on your profile and press on inventory. Well, here you can locate the items you own. And I want to show you all this because this is a beginner friendly tutorial and I want to cover as much as possible in a very short period of time. So here you can locate all the items you own right now, which are on your name. You can locate them in your Steam inventory. Now, if you want to sell something, as an example, this Steam case, if you have a look down below, you can see the starting price is at 23 and 12 cents euros, which is kind of okay. I mean, it's not just a couple of cents, and is the starting price, which means this is the lower price of the market right now. The player who sells this item for the cheapest price, it's starting at, so this is the price you will see right here. And actually, I want to sell this item live with you so I can show you how to sell an item of Steam. So I'll just hit that sell button, and now at buyer pays you will see here the price which this item will be listed on the Steam market. And in the left side you will see a different socket you'll receive, because Steam also get a cut after the sale. And also very important, you will see here some policies and you will have to mark this I agree with the terms of service, and I recommend you to read the terms like I did, and after that to agree with them. Very important, once an item is sold, you can't refund it. The sale is permanent and the item can be never retrieved to the seller. Alright, so you have to keep that in mind. A sale is permanent and once sold, the item can't be refunded. Once you're done, you have to press on OK and one more time on OK. And now, very important, you will have to confirm this either from your email and either from the Steam Authenticator app on your mobile phone. And these two are very different. The Steam Authenticator app will have a lot of more benefits and reasons why you should use the Steam Authenticator on your phone, and I'll get more into that in just a minute. It's very important. So as I told you, now you'll have to confirm this. If you don't have the Steam Authenticator, they will send you a code via your email or via Steam Authenticator app on your phone. I have it on my phone and I will show you right now on the application how to confirm this. So as you saw, I press live on the notification and I will have to mark this item and confirm for selling, and that was it. Now the item will be listed on the Steam market. We can check it out if we go to community, then press on market. At my sell listings, you can see the glove case which I sold for quite some money. And now let's get into why you should have the Steam Authenticator instead of verifying through your email. And pay attention because it's very important. Now, if you don't have the Steam Authenticator and you'll confirm the selling from your email, the item will not be sold instantly. Instead, I believe the item will stay for like a week or two before it will be posted on the Steam market for security reasons. And if you want to sell it instantly once you verify, you will have to get the Authenticator app on your phone. Is basically the Steam application. You will have to log in into the Steam application and stay logged in for like a week, and after 7 days you will be able to sell items instantly. Once you sell one, verify that through your phone and the item will be posted instantly. So this is why, in my opinion, you must have the Steam application, the Authenticator on your phone. And if you have a look now on the Steam, the item was sold instantly. Now my balance is 70 and something euros, and like a minute ago it was 50 and something euros. So the item was sold live while recording this video. So this is why you should have the Authenticator on your phone. Alright, now a lot of people can't sell items, and there are a lot of different reasons why that can happen. As an example, I found you can't sell items on the community market due to restrictions like for being a new account, because there are a lot of bots and you have to verify that you are not a bot. After that, not having Steam Guard enabled for 15 days, recently canceling trades, maybe if you cancel a lot of trades in a short period of time, or having a limited account, no purchases over $5. I believe with this purchase over $5 you will verify that you are not a bot, but sometimes it's just temporary servers issues or items holds after trade purchases requiring you to wait for holds to expire. Alright, so there are a lot of reasons why somebody can't sell items on the Steam market, and there are a lot of different reasons to put together in a single video. For each individually you will see an error or a message and you will have to Google it up and you'll see how that can be fixed. So shortly, this is how to sell items on the Steam market, and now I'm looking forward to show you how to purchase, how to buy items on Steam in this part of the video. Now I'm located at community and market, and I will show you how to navigate this menu in order to buy something. First case, what if you want to buy a specific item? It can be a skin for a weapon inside the game, or a profile wallpaper for Steam, keys, and many things. If you want to filter them, as an example, you can find here the game in which you want to purchase this item. As an example, let's choose CSGO, Counter-Strike 2, because I am the most familiar with this game. Once you select a game for which you want to purchase something, you can also press show advanced options, and inside here you have categories. As an example, you have pistols right here, and which pistol for this game. As an example, let's choose the Glock 18, and now you can press on search. Alright, and in this way you can search for specific skins, for specific items, and you can see here we have many pages. You can see here the price. Yeah, why not? Let's try to purchase a pistol. This one is 9 cents, so why not? Alright, I will select it, and here you can see all the players who are selling these items, 430 pages, and the first one will be with the lowest price. Let's select this one because it's the lowest. This menu, it's with your information, it's blurred because this is my information, and if you have money into your Steam wallet right here, you will not have to pay with the card because you can pay directly with the Steam wallet. Okay, read the terms and conditions, after that mark them with agree, and in this way I just purchase an item. I will have also to confirm this from my phone, so I will just open the Steam application. Alright, let's refresh the page with the confirmations. Community market purchase confirmation needed. Let's press on it. Alright, okay, it's confirmed, and now back to the computer. Purchase completed successfully. Okay, let's press on close. Actually, let's press on view inventory. Alright, and here is the pistol which I just purchased like a second ago. So this is how to purchase items. Let's go back to the market right now, and using this method you can search for I don't know, profile backgrounds. As an example, let's select Steam right here, and show advanced options. You can select trading card emoticons for chats, profile backgrounds, and so on. Let's select the profile backgrounds, and also you have a filter for the price right here. Let's press on search, and let's try to purchase a background. I like this one, it's with CSGO. Press on buy, and this will automatically purchase the lowest price. Read the terms, select agree. Also this is blurred because this is my information, and let's place an order. Okay, and it was purchased instantly. Let's press on view item in inventory. And at Steam, you can see that my profile background is right here. Let's also equip that background on our profile. So just go to your profile, now press on edit profile, and let's see profile backgrounds. And here is the background which I just purchased. Scroll down and press on save. And now my profile have a totally different background. So this is how to purchase items on Steam. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out to know how to buy items on Steam, on the Steam market, and how to sell items on the Steam market. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, leave any comments down below, and thank you a lot for watching.